Welcome to the course Hebrew 2. The course Hebrew 2 will help you speak contemporary and useful Hebrew with a natural accent and to understand cultural issues. The course is divided into 5 units. We recommend dividing the study into short sessions of approximately half an hour at a time. If you make sure to enter the course 3 to 4 times a week, you will soon start speaking fluently. Each unit has several stages. It is important to follow the order. The course is your teacher, so it's best to let it lead you. The first step in any unit is the dialogue. This part begins with a video with a real-life situation. You may not understand every word in the video, but you will know how to answer the questions. The activity that follows the video will help you understand every word. In Beelango's course Hebrew 2, it is recommended that you listen to the narrators as many times as possible and that you repeat the dialogues aloud. You can access the full conversation and listen to the full text here below. You can run forward in the text, go back, as well as hide or show the translation. The second part of the unit is devoted to language and grammatical issues. Each language topic is explained in a presentation. The rules are summarized on a screen and there are exercises. It is very important to read the instructions in order to solve the exercise easily. For example, it says here that you must choose 4 options out of 6. In addition, in grammar and other exercises, you will see help buttons for reminders of information, rules, to expand on some point, and for the relevant dictionary. In the third part, you will be able to compose sentences, answer questions, and express yourself in Hebrew. For example, here you hear a question and have to find its answer within the text. Only when the answer is correct will the second question appear. The fourth part is mostly devoted to understanding cultural concepts and practicing speech. Here, for example, you can browse and see different expressions in the culture. In the talking exercise, you can speak about everything you saw in the opening video in Hebrew. It happens in stages: listening to the text below, arranging the sentences, and repeating the story in your own words. At the end of each unit, you will meet a song, singer, or a band. Then you can complete and sing the chorus. And at the end, you will see another performance of the song. The course stimulates the natural process of language learning. It has many varied activities that make use of the vocabulary and cultural issues in a number of contexts. To enjoy the various activities, we recommend that you 1. Read the instructions for each activity. 2. Always repeat after the narrators, preferably more than once. 3. Experiment and talk about yourself. Wishing you lots of success.